Welcome to Munnar, where nature weaves its magic into every hill and valley. A paradise nestled in the Western Ghats of India, Munnar is a breathtaking blend of emerald tea gardens, misty mountains, and exotic wildlife. These endless tea plantations tell a story of heritage and serenity. Sip on the freshest brew as you watch the golden sunrise paint the hills in hues of orange and gold. The tranquil waters of Mattupetty Dam mirror the beauty of the sky, offering a peaceful retreat. Take a boat ride through this serene expanse and spot elephants quenching their thirst by the shore. Venture into Eravikulam National Park, home to the rare Nilgiri Tahr. As you trek through the misty trails, witness the breathtaking bloom of Nilgiri, flowers that paint these hills blue once every 12 years. Feel the rush of nature at Lakkam Waterfalls, where crystal-clear waters cascade down rocky cliffs. A perfect spot to soak in the raw, untamed beauty of Munnar. End your journey at Top Station, where the clouds embrace the mountains. Standing here with the wind in your hair and the world below, you realize Munnar isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Escape into the wild, embrace the wonders. This is Munnar, nature's masterpiece. Subscribe to Wildscape Wonders for more breathtaking journeys.